Good afternoon, students. So, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 7, APJ Abdul Kalam. You are very well aware about APJ Abdul Kalam. So, let's read something about this chapter first. Yes, this is a short summary of the life of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, telling some facts related with his life. In this chapter, we'll read not more about APJ Abdul Kalam, but some things related to his life. Okay, so let's start the chapter. Do you know the full form of the letters APJAK? The letters APJAK stand for Avul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam. Means the full form of APJ is Avul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam. These are the first letters of the name of the man who became the President of India. Yes, these are the first letters of the name of the man who became the President of India. Who was he? He was the President of India. And you should remember the full name of APJ Abdul Kalam. He was the great missile man of India. He was also known with other name Great Missile Man. APJ अब्दुल कलाम को ग्रेट मिसाइल मैन के नाम से भी जाना जाता था. He was also called the father of the missile system of India. And APJ अब्दुल कलाम को मिसाइल सिस्टम का फादर भी माना जाता था. Was born in 1931 in Rameshwaram. Where was he born? In Rameshwaram in 1931. His father was a boat owner. What his father, उनके पापा क्या करते थे? What his father used to do? His father was a boat owner. इनके पापा के पास एक बोट थी. Jain Ulabdin was his father. What was his father's name? Jain Ulabdin. And Ashiyamma his mother, and the name of his mother is Ashiyamma. He has been conferred Bharat Ratna for able launching of missiles under his supervision. And इनको एक भारत रत्न भी दिया गया था क्योंकि इनके सुपरविजन के अंडर मिसाइल्स को लॉन्च किया गया था. Not only this, Pokhran's second nuclear test was also conducted under his stewardship. एंड नॉट ओनली दिस, पोखरन सेकेंड न्यूक्लियर टेस्ट जो था वो भी इन्हीं के स्टीवर्डशिप मीन्स सुपरविजन, इन्हीं के सुपरविजन में काम किया गया था. Was also a poet. He was a poet also. Though a renowned nuclear scientist, ये जबकि एक बहुत जाने माने न्यूक्लियर साइंटिस्ट थे, was not unconcerned about environmental protection. ये environmental protection को लेकर भी बहुत ज़्यादा concerned रहते थे. Once a site was being cut, he not only went there and stopped the falling of the tree, but also got and persuaded them successfully to shift the trees to some other place. Once a site was being cut, एक बार जब एक जगह पर ट्रीज़ को काटा जा रहा था, वो पूरे उस जगह की सफाई की जा रही थी, वो बल्कि वहाँ गए नहीं, बल्कि वहाँ पर जाने के बाद उन्होंने उन ट्रीज़ को गिरने से बचाया, कटने से बचाया और वहाँ पर उनको हेल्प की उन ट्रीज़ को किसी और जगह पर शिफ्ट करने में. वॉट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ परसुएडेड? कॉज समवन टू बिलीव समथिंग. एंड उन्होंने मतलब वहाँ पर सबको, यू कैन से वहाँ पर सबको कन्विंस किया टू शिफ्ट द ट्रीज. APJ अब्दुल कलाम वॉज नॉट द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया देन. जब APJ अब्दुल कलाम इंडिया के प्रेसिडेंट नहीं थे. ही वॉज अ प्योर वेजिटेरियन. वो बिल्कुल वेजिटेरियन थे, शाकाहारी यू कैन से. He loved children and always made it a point to find time for them. And he used to love children. वो बच्चों से बहुत प्यार करते थे और हमेशा उनके लिए कहीं ना कहीं से टाइम निकाल ही लेते थे. He became the President of India in 2002. In year 2002, he became President of India. On 27 July 2015 he left this world. और उनकी डेथ कब हुई? 27 July 2015. Please remember these dates for extra questions. Okay, so we have completed this chapter. Hope you now you have some knowledge about APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and please remember all the dates, full form of APJ Abdul Kalam for further questions.